Good morning, all. Our next chapter, that is Nobel Prize Award winners 2019. The Nobel Prize is widely regarded as the most prestigious award given for the achievements in various fields. In this, you have to write down the names of the Nobel laureates. Okay, let's start. The first one is Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Duflo, and Michael Kramer. They all they awarded for the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences. Abhijit Banerjee, along with Esther Duflo and Michael Kramer, won the 2019 Economics Nobel for their work on the finding new ways to tackle poverty. Esther Duflo, a French American, and Banerjee have been married for 4 years. They are the first couple to win the Economics Nobel and the sixth Nobel winning couple. Kramer is with the Harvard University. Next is Olga Tokarczuk and Austria's Peter Handke. Polish author Olga Tokarczuk and the Austria's Peter Handke have been awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. Two winners were named, one for 2019 and one for 2018, because the prize was not awarded last year. The Swedish Academy, which oversees the prestigious award, suspended in 2018. Olga Tokarczuk has published more than a dozen works since her debut in 1993. The prize marks the latest and the greatest in a string of recent honors. Last year, the Polish novelist became the first writer from her country to win the International Booker Prize for her book Flights and the novel Drive Your Plow Over the Bones of the Dead, recently published in an English translation, made the list of the finalists for this year's International Booker as well. Peter Handke, as an Austrian-born writer who now lives in France, is best known for his radical experiments with the form, experiments like the 1960s drama Offending the Audience, in which the actors on stage spend an hour criticizing the performance of the spectators. He also wrote short stories, radio dramas, and fiction works, perhaps the most notable of which is the goalie's anxiety at the penalty kick. Next is Abiy Ahmed Ali. He is the first Ethiopian and the first Oromo be awarded a Nobel Prize, winning the 2019 Nobel Peace Prize for his work in ending the 20-year post-war territorial stalemate between Ethiopia and Eritrea. Abiy Ahmed Ali became Prime Minister in 2018 at the age of 41, taking on the job against the backdrop of anti-government protest. His youthful energy and beaming smile offered hope. Next is William Kaelin. Sir Peter J. Ratcliffe and Greg L. Semenza discovered how cells can sense and adapt to changing oxygen availability. They identified molecular machinery that regulates the activity of the genes in response to varying levels of oxygen. The 2019 Nobel Medicine Prize was awarded jointly to this trio for their work on how cells sense and adapt to oxygen availability. Next are John B. Goodenough, Stanley Whittingham, and Akira Yoshino. They got the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2019 for their contribution to the development of the lithium-ion battery. This rechargeable battery laid the foundation of the wireless electronics such as mobile phones and laptops. These three scientists created the right condition for a wireless and a fossil fuel-free society, and so brought the greatest benefit to the humankind. And the last one is The 2019 Nobel Prize in Physics honors three pioneering scientists for their fundamental contributions to these cosmic questions: Professor James Peebles of the Princeton University, Michel Mayor of the University of Geneva, and the Didier Queloz of the University of Geneva and the University of Cambridge. They all get the Nobel Prize in Physics 2019 was awarded for the contribution to our understanding of the evolution of the universe and the Earth's place in the cosmos, with one half of these Canadian American physicists for the theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology. The other half jointly to Swiss scientists for the discovery of an exoplanet orbiting a star similar to Sun. Hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.